Like I really bought a luxury item. They was not playing with the packaging, y'all. Look at this. I had no clue it would come packaged like this, but it did. I said, this is legit. Hello. I have a luxury unboxing. I'm going to call it luxury because it's a luxury brand, but y'all know me. Sometimes I might be getting some luxury stuff eventually. I got some from Poshmark resellers, but brand new never. This was brand new from the website, YSL Saint Laurent, however you want to say it. I saw this. It was a little trick. Like it popped up on my thing, but I don't know what I was looking at for it to pop up. Like, and I was like, just the website just popped up, and I was like, this must be somebody perpetrating Saint Laurent's website, because there's no way they have something for this price. There's no way they have anything for this price. Nothing at all. Not even an earring. But it was not fake. I actually typed in the Saint Laurent site, and then I searched for what I saw. I put, because it didn't come up when you went on there, and if you went through the bags, it does not come up in the bags. But I will put the link in this video so you can get this good deal too if you want this. But let's get it open so y'all can see what I got for amazing price. Amazing, ridiculous price. So yeah, my first brand new luxury. I have designer purchases, but luxury purchase. Oh, I opened the box, but I didn't show you all. Look at this. How it's packaged. It's like I really bought a luxury item. They was not playing with the packaging, y'all. Look at this. I had no clue it would come packaged like this, but it did. I said, this is legit. So I can get that feeling of if I one day buy me a YSL bag. And look at this little nice little envelope. Look at it. Gives you the feeling that you really bought some luxury instead of buying makeup or something like that you bought, or perfume, that you really done bought luxury bag. But let's open it on up. Look here. Let's get it open. I'm trying to get it out. Look at me. I don't even know how to act. I did not know it was going to come boxed so nicely and neat for the price that I paid, y'all. Oh, they got a return label if I want to return. I'm not returning these. They got two little letters in here. Got this. I guess this is just a card. Yeah, it's a card. It is a thank you card from YSL.com. That's nice. That's nice. And let's see what these letters are. Fill out to return, not return. They give you paper that gives you the instructions if you want to return the item, and you get your receipt. Okay, and that's what was in here. Look at me sitting on the floor. Why? Because y'all, when y'all find out what I paid, y'all won't know why. When y'all find out what I paid. Today is December the 23rd in the evening time. Why am I still stuck in December? Today is January 2024, the 23rd. January the 23rd. I don't know why I keep being stuck in December. Get me out of December, y'all. Okay, let's unbox so y'all can see what it is that I actually got from Saint Laurent. Look at it. Look at it, y'all. Look how it's packaged. Like I really paid some money. Like I really did. And it's a nice, sturdy, hefty box. My God. Oh, my God. Boy, you would have thought I feel like special. I feel special. I had to sign for it and everything. FedEx bought it. I had to sign for it and everything, y'all. I feel so special. Let me put that on the screen. Maybe I can use that as a thumbnail. That could be a good thumbnail. Let's look at it, y'all. Y'all gonna run and try to get these once y'all see them, ain't y'all? Y'all gonna run. Y'all didn't know you can get deals like this on YSL.com, did you? You didn't know. This is the Leopard Dorsal tote bag. It says Dorsal Mar, which is probably Dorsale Mar, because it's French, ain't it? I don't know. I think it's French. Dorsale is DORSALE MARR. but it is leopard print. Now y'all know, last year everybody was going crazy about the YSL Rive tote bags. Why does YSL have these tote bags? They're not as sturdy as a regular tote bag. It may be something you can get free to get with perfume, but I didn't buy perfume. And it's not Christmas time, so hey, they had these on the website that you could buy. I don't know if you get them free with perfume. If y'all bought y'all some YSL Libre or any of that during Christmas time, did you get some of these bags free with perfume? I don't know if that's what they're doing or if they just sell them on their website for that price. But this is a nice tote bag, beach bag, travel bag. If you're going somewhere to take your pictures, put your clothes in, to put an outfit in bag. Not too many. You could put in summertime, you could put a couple of outfits. Wintertime, you might get one good outfit in here though. But look at it. It's a cute tote bag. Smells new. It just smells new, y'all. It smells good. It just smells like newness. So yeah, this says Saint Laurent on it. Cute tote bag, y'all. And guess how much I paid? Just guess how much I paid. Put it in the comments before I tell. Before I say it. Don't be trying to put it in the comments after I say it. Y'all gonna have to keep watching to find out how much I paid. Because I'm going to show the other thing I got. And y'all make sure y'all thumbs up this video, subscribe, and share it out. Let some other people know about these good deals. Come on, dog. We knocking on 500 subscribers. We getting there. Share it on there. Another box, wrapped the same way. So maybe it's the same thing. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see, people. I am so excited. Like I done bought a real YSL purse or something. But this is real YSL. So it's like, you start somewhere. You got to start somewhere. Y'all going to see me unboxing some real stuff one day, but I ain't going to be spending ridiculous amounts. Unless I'm super, super rich, because I don't believe in, I don't know. Just let me shut my mouth, because y'all might see me doing that one day and be like, you said you wouldn't go. Okay, let me shut my mouth, because you never know what you might see and you won't. And when I want stuff, I want it. But yeah, another one. But it's black and white. It was supposed to look more white. It looked more black and white on the website, but it's more like a black and grayish. It's kind of, you can wear it with black and white, but it's like a black and grayish leopard tote. Yeah, these are two choices they have on the website. And look at the inside. It's a nice tote bag, y'all. It's a nice, and the smell of the newness is, oh my gosh, I just love the smell of the newness. It don't have no bad odor. It just smells like newness, y'all. Oh my God. Let me stop. I'm just so extra, y'all. Yeah, it comes with the little, you get this paper on the, girl, I think I done, act like I done bought something for real. And that is my first real luxury unboxing. YSL's luxury. Even though I didn't pay the luxury price. You want to know what I paid for these two tote bags? I paid $75 a piece. Wow. They were $75 a piece on YSL.com. And I will put the link in the description box. You can go get yours and feel like you done purchased some luxury, because you did. You purchased luxury at a discount. Even if it's just the perfume gift with perfume bags. I don't know. It's probably what they are, but I didn't buy no perfume. So, and I'm going to try that Libre. Everybody keeps saying that Libre is like the smell. But I thought I smelled it before. And it just didn't work with I don't think that works with my pheromones. I don't think the Libre works for me, but I'm going to smell it again because everybody's just still talking about that so much. I'm going to try that. Let me know if y'all like that YSL Libre perfume. Oh, and I think the options were Klarna, PayPal. Of course, just pay the full price. Y'all know I did the pay in full. I did the pay in full, or the Klarna or Affirm, whichever one they offered. They did offer pay in fours, though. So, hey, go on and get there. Both of them for $150 and pay in full. Pay your little money every 2 weeks with no interest. But yeah, I got me some Lux, y'all. I got some Lux. I got a little taste of Lux. A little taste. And it's the smell of this. It smells luxurious. I just, oh my gosh, it just smells like a store, like a just fresh store. It just smells so new, y'all. I love the smell of it. I didn't expect them to just smell new. I mean, it smells, the smell. When you buy these, if you buy them, you'll know what I'm talking about. I love the smell of these. I love it. So yeah, get y'all some. Y'all have a nice beach bag, picnic bag. Like I said, put your outfits in, overnight trip bag. Look at these bags. They're cute too. You can wear them with any, rock them with any outfit. I'm gonna show y'all how they look when I put them on my shoulder. Well, I showed it to the side. Y'all saw it to the side. So, are y'all gonna get these bags? Let me know in the comments. If I ain't already said it, I think I did. Thumbs up this video, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. I'm just so happy about it. To me, I feel like I done bought a YSL purse or wallet or earrings or shoes. I feel like I done really bought something. When I had to sign for it, and when I saw the box, I was like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Anyway, I'm too giddy. Thank y'all for watching. Thumbs up this video and subscribe and let me know in the comments if you gonna hit them up. I'm trying to tell y'all about the secret deals. It's gonna be in the description box because it's kind of hard to find on the website. But I don't know how it just randomly popped up for me. I was searching something, I guess, and it popped up. I don't know. And I thought it was a fake YSL site, so I made sure I put YSL.com. Even though it said YSL.com, I said, it might be an extra something up in there because they can't be selling them for $75. I got it, y'all, and it came in like 2 days. Like 2 days. I think I ordered it Saturday, and it came today. So, 2-3 days. Came quick. So, y'all get y'all's. Get y'all so y'all be ready for the summertime and springtime thinking y'all did something. Like, girl, I gotta get my YSL bag. Oh, you want some snacks? Let me go get my YSL bag. Girl, let me get my Saint Laurent. We going to the move? We going out of town this weekend? Okay, let me get my Saint Laurent bag. Let me pack my stuff in my Saint Laurent in my YSL bag. Let me stop it. Girl, you want to use my other one? Girl, you can use this one. I can use that one, girl. Boy, are you taking me on a date? We going on a picnic? Oh, let me get my Saint Laurent bag, boy. Anyway, let me stop acting silly. Y'all have a good one. Be blessed and be a blessing. I will see y'all in the next video. Deuces. I just had to bring this to y'all.